Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. Video, we will see how to implement any single Java program, means how to accomplish any task using a simple Java program. For that we have to follow the three different steps, that are, first of all, creating a Java program. Next step is compiling that Java program, and another last step is the running of the Java program. Now we will see what is the first step, that is creating Java program. As we all knows that for any program to be compiled and run by a software, it should be created in any one of the text editor. Means it is nothing but a tool in which we write our any program, means whatever the language, means the code which we are using in a Java is totally used to solve any problem can be put down into a text editor. After accomplishing this, we are saving this as class name dot java. This is the method to save any Java program. There can be different text editors available for this facility, like Emacs, VI, and different text editors are available. Generally, for Windows, it is a Notepad editor, and for Linux mechanism, it is a VI or single text editor. Next step is compiling the Java program. What is the compilation? Compilation is nothing but finding the syntax errors. What are the syntax errors? These are nothing but the silly mistakes done by the programmer. Means the syntax missing means, for example, there should be an end of statement by a semicolon. If it is missing, then it would be a one error. If comma is missing, dot is missing, any quote is missing, any bracket is missing, any such square bracket is missing, any opening is missing, such errors done by a programmer are counted in the compilation errors, and programmer does not aware about these errors at a time of writing it, but when it will compile it, means in the compilation process, these errors are counted in a program. Now the third step for that is nothing but running of a program. We will see it. Suppose we had written any one program, then for that we are using the text editor for creating a program, then compilation is nothing but the finding of errors. But how to compile it in a programming steps? That is, we have to use a command like javac and program name dot java. This is the command by which we are compiling our source program, and then we will get different errors or the correct output after running it. So we will go to the next step, that is nothing but the running. Now how to run the program? First of all, we have to take one text editor to type a program. Then after that, Java source code is generated, means our type program is available here. Then it can be of many types, means it can be of Java doc, or it can be a HTML file. Then for compiling, we will transfer it to the Java C, that is the compiler. Then this Java C gives us the Java class file. Class file is nothing but the higher level language converted into a machine level language, means it is nothing but the object code. Then here it will generate a actual Java file, means actual Java output, and it will be gives us the final output of that Java program. Then Java class file is nothing but the Java H file. Then it is having the different header files in it. Then what is the Java? Here it is using the JDB tool, Java database tool, to execute the Java code to get the output. Running is nothing but the getting our actual output after it is gone through the different steps. So for that, one Java interpreter is used. It is nothing but a standalone program. Then it can be achieved by using the steps. For compiling, we are using Java C program name.java, and for running we are using the Java interpreter, that is nothing but the Java and program name. Means here we had used the Java, for that one JDB is used, and we had received the output of that program. Now for that, means when we are using this JDB, we have to follow the class path. Class path is nothing but an environmental variable used to denote where is actual our Java programs are saved. When we install a JDB or when we install a JDK, then we will get a class path like C program files. Then we will get a Java folder, and in that bin folder we are storing our actual program. So this is the procedure for how to create, compile and run a simple Java program in our Java programming environment.